Right guys, what I'm going to be showing you today is the Signaller TradingView indicator. Now this has completely changed the game for traders. Okay, so what this simply does is shows you exactly where to not only take the trade, but where to put the stop loss as well. Now if you don't understand those terminology, stay tuned. I'm about to break it down for you and show you exactly how you can get access to this indicator that has over a 92% success rate. Now before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, here we are guys, we are on the TradingView daily chart. Okay, so we have the indicator already activated. Like I said, it is the Signaller. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can purchase this, how you can set it up, but also how you can set alerts. So you can simply get this sent to your phone, nice and simple. The moment you get the alert, bang, take the trade, put the stop loss where it tells you, and you are going to be a winner. Okay, so what we can see here is we got the signal on Ethereum. This is the daily time frame. What you want to do first is go up and change to Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, you won't have it here. I save it personally. All you have to do is click on this arrow and then scroll down until you see Heikin Ashi. Okay, so once you've changed to that, your charts will change over to like this. Okay, now once you get those alerts that I was telling you about, all you have to do when you receive a short signal that indicates it's a sell. Okay, so what you want to do is at the close of the candle where the arrow is, simply put your entry, and then your stop loss, because it's a sell, will go on this red line. Okay, so red line for sells, blue line for buys. Okay, then as you can see, this trade actually went a massive close to 3%. So if you were to risk $1,000 for this trade, you would have taken $3,000 out of it. However, it's still going, so we are still technically in this trade, but let me show you another one for the opposite. So long is buy, short is sell. Okay, so what you do is you do it where the candle meets, where that blue arrow is, put the stop loss on the blue line this time because we are buying. And then as you can see, so that's 4.68, which we can see, like I said on the last one, if you were to have risked 1%, you would have made $4,680. This is how simple it is. These are just alerts that come through on your phone and you can take them as easy as that. You don't need to know the terminology. You don't need to know anything else. However, when you have this, it changes your game completely. Now, all you have to do to get the alerts is right click on one of the labels, click on add alert, then click create. Nice and simple, and then you'll get it on your phone, you'll get it on your PC, laptop, wherever you are. Now, obviously, I can already hear you. How do I get this? Then what you want to do is come into the Signaller VIP group. We can see that there are already, this was a signal they gave over on BMT/USDT, made a massive 773.52%. This one 32%, 176, 117, 91, and these are all proven. These are all ones that you can back yourself. They will give you, you simply click on that, it will tell you where the entry was, what date it was, and how you do. Now, how do you get access to that indicator? Come on over to the description on the right hand side and click this button. Now, once you've clicked that button, you will be redirected to the Signaller bot. Now, you do have multiple different options. You can get the VIP signal channel, which I just showed you, or you can get just the indicator system where you can do it yourself. You get the 1 month indicator, 3 month indicator, or 1 year indicator. And then you can obviously get the exact same for 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year for the VIP signals. However, what I did was got the lifetime access bundle. That means you get both of those. You get those world-class signals. You get the access to the indicator, all for $597. Now, once you are ready to take that lifetime option, click on start. Then it will give you the option. I went down, lifetime bundle, all access $597. Then all you have to do is simply click to pay by crypto, and then it will give you multiple different cryptos to use. I always use USDT. It's just my personal favorite. I get a lot of money in that. So we can see that you pay $597. And then what we want to do is on the TRC20 network. That's for me. And then there is your contract address. All you have to do is send that amount to that contract address and you are done. That will be it. Make sure you copy it. It says down here, send on a USDT via Tron to this address. Otherwise, coins will be lost. Now, once you've done that, you will get access to whatever you've selected, or if you've chosen the lifetime bundle, you'll have everything that I've showed you in today's video, all for the rest of your life. But there we have it, guys. That was the Signaller TradingView indicator that is honestly going to be changing your trading game with an average of 92% success rate, not including the VIP signals that I also showed you with. There was thousands of percent, maybe 2,000, 3,000 just for the 6 that I showed you. But make sure you click on that link down below, do your own due diligence, get connected, and start your trading journey today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.